Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll show you how to set up APN settings on iPhone. So let's get started. First, go to the Start screen and choose Settings. Scroll down, choose Mobile Data. If mobile data is disabled, enable mobile data. If mobile data is enabled, go to the next step. Choose Mobile Data Network. Edit the details for mobile data under APN. Enter data, My Airmobile E under username and password. Enter nothing. Return to the Start screen. To finish the process and activate the settings, you need to restart the device. Then, after mobile on swipe-up screen. If this screen appears, choose SIM card. If this screen does not appear, skip the next step. Enter the PIN code and choose OK. The Apple iPhone 13 is now ready for use. So, that is all for today, and I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.